Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to share an item to your friends or to anyone via Messenger, AirPod, airdrops or other social networking sites on the Efootwear application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Tap on the shop icon down below in order to search for a product that you would like to send. Select the category and then a subcategory. Tap on the product itself and click on this share icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Then you will be able to send it via airdrop, messages, Messenger, Facebook, Slack, Gmail, Notes, Snapchat and other social networking sites, or you can also copy it and then send it to someone. So click on a relevant icon and as you can see, the link of the product has been added into the chat box, and it also says check out this product, it's worth it. Now all you have to do is selecting a contact to whom you would like to send it to and then press the button share down below. That's pretty much it for this video guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.